How to use Smart Select on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. This is the latest Smart Select feature on any Samsung device you can use. Two methods you can access this Smart Select feature. First is the Edge panel. Swipe from the right. Here you can find the Smart Select option. Tap on it. Now you can see the screen select. You can use this Smart Select feature to take any screenshot or find quickly translate any text. Let's see. Just tap on the screen. Here you can select the screen you want on your device like this to take a or capture the screenshot. You can also move. Here we select this. Here you can see the edit. You can pin this option. Also copy this. Tap on a T. Here you can copy the text like this. Copy this text. Also translate. You need to translate this. First of all, download this language to automatically translate from the image. So Smart Select is very helpful feature. You can just select the portion you want and you can copy this text, translate this text also on your device, share with your friends or family member also. Tap on the three dots. Here you can add to note. So tap on add to note and it will automatically add to your note. Also you can use Smart Select in the note. Let's see another example. You can also use S Pen to use a Smart Select. First of all, remove your S Pen. Tap the air command icon. Here you can see the Smart Select option. If you can't find, tap on a plus icon and you can find the Smart Select option in this S Pen feature list. So tap the Smart Select, go back, tap the Smart Select. Now select any portion you want to copy. Here you can copy, pin, also edit like this, increase or decrease the size. So Smart Select is very helpful feature. When complete, tap on a done to save it. You can also open your note. Let's see example. Here we open my notes. Now open any notes here. If you want to copy this address or directly access using the Google Maps, just use Smart Select feature. Tap on Smart Select. Now select the address and you can see the map option. So you can quickly access map using this. Also tap on a T to copy this on your device. Also tap on a mobile number any. Here we select this mobile number like this. Here we select this mobile number. You can make a call using this feature. So this is the very helpful feature to take any screenshot or quickly access any map call using the Smart Select feature on a Samsung S24 Ultra, any other supported device. That's it. If you like it, share it.